Does your heat pump look like this? Should you get rid of the snow on it? Here's the answer. So this is what my heat pump looks like this morning. Should I sweep off the snow? Yes, the answer is yes. Just with a gentle bristled broom like this, and just so it has proper airflow and will work properly with the best energy efficiency it can get. Let's go. Shall we sweep it off? Whoa. What do you think of that? Good? Yep, that's it. Are you ready? Are you gonna help? Are you helping? You're such a good help. And knock off any ice. Good? Good.